Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix can't open Facebook profile. If I go for my profile here and I clicking it, you can see I can't go for my profile from anywhere. So if I go for back and go for Play Store. Now go for Facebook, search your Facebook and you have to update your Facebook app. So I have already updated it. So now go back again and go for settings. After that go for apps and notification, go for Facebook app and click on storage and cache. Clear the cache, go back and go back again. Clear your Facebook or everything. Then again if I go for my Facebook app and if I go my profile and you can see here I can go for my profile here. So that's the process. You can fix the can't open profile on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.